Benadryl tonight and go to sleep. That's my plan.
I'm not driving my car.
Stop.
Stop. Yeah.
It's on another controller.
Someone else is doing. Restart.
What number are you yellow? Yeah, you were probably on.
How come Carter's the only one that has a lap? Oh, because you were driving my car.
Let's bring it back to the.
Can we do?
Yeah, we can drive.
Oh look, I'm driving two. I'm driving.
Wow. Boy, you're driving everybody's car.
Thanks, Carter.
You bet. Hey, this is.
You'll win.
This is the best. By the way, you were probably driving his car.
Yes.
I was probably driving. I don't know, but whatever it is, I'm obviously driving two cars here.
Sweet, Carter's driving my car and I don't even have to do it.
Great.
But watch out my laps though. Okay, we'll leave it with a
Grabbers.
And grabbers.
And
Okay.
re-ID
Can
the
you
car.
get that car into the
Right.
red controller?
Thank you, Neil.
Absolutely.
I wish they all had lights.
It's a very nice.
I said I wish they all had lights.
No, I agree, but it's a very nice thing to do to your car.
And Glenn hates it when he doesn't have lights when we do. Carter.
Who does?
Glenn. He's like, oh, you have lights. With me and Nate. Because me and Nate both had lights in our McLaren and his didn't. He's like, oh.
That's a nice. It is nice having the lights now.
Except for the McLarens, they didn't really work well in the scale electric one.
The Skillectric GT40s?
No, the McLarens.
Oh.
The GT.
They wouldn't work well in this car either.
But they work well in the Slot.it GT40. Look at it. They work well in the Group C's.
That's a good idea.
Big, big.
We have to make sure the car is not working.
Mine's working.
Hey.
Sorry, Neil.
Nice job, Bill.
You should have gone fast and slow. Not slow to fast.
Now, I think it goes better this way, but I am impressed with how fast these cars are after.
Yeah.
And the Skillectric, these old 50s cars are. Oh!
I keep accelerating too early now.
Yeah, because you just the other one.
Well, now you can. There's enough power again. You can crash stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, and I keep accelerating too early. Real hot. Thanks, mate.
These cars okay in that
Push them
position?
forward, push both those
push
cars
forward?
forward. I'm trying to catch up to Bill. I said,
I've been
two
sending
cars
Carter
are,
off for a
there's a
while.
car right in front, yeah, right between us. Like, oh,
I just witnessed Carter crash.
man. Yes, you did.
Doesn't have
It
to
rattled.
Okay, I made it through there cleanly.
Well done.
Oh my god, these cars are such a blur.
I know.
Slot.it, why?
Hey,
Yeah.
Screws are almost teeth back.
I like the sound that made.
I like that landing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, don't crash. Don't crash. What? I'm still using the most fuel. What the hell? I don't even feel like I'm using that much.
And now I'm using more than Bill.
I'm not using more than everybody. He says hard, we're like tired. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Tell myself to
Hard to
slow
get
down.
used to this after the last ones.
Evan will have gas Evan.
Thank
You
you.
are running out of fuel. Hit on your next lap.
I wasn't sure if we'd hear that first, you were saying.
Carter low on fuel Carter.
Yeah.
You are running out of fuel. Hit on your next lap.
Good thing that's a robot, not a real person.
You're a tough guy.
Are we set for 26 laps? Still? Okay.
I'm so good at racing these cars. Hey, it wasn't me.
Am I
Very
past that
soft
can't?
touch.
Yeah, it looks like I am. Oh!
Into the pits.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, I'm doing the same thing.
Still low on fuel bill. You are running out of fuel. Hit on your next lap.
This lap.
Oh man. It's already over.
I know, he's ahead. Oh. Good job, Bill.
Yay.
Nice.
Very well done.
That car was driving very nicely tonight.
It was indeed. You were driving it beautifully. I was chasing and chasing, and you were not to be had. So
Oh!
We're done, Carter.
okay, the only sub 10.
God, I was so slow.
10-2.
I like how they list them all right there.
Nice.
Lap as well.
Very nice.
And you don't change position constantly on the. I don't think you do when you, or do you?
Yeah,
Does it
you
flip?
do.
Oh, okay.
That's how it's,
Just not as fast.
Not as fast because it seemed like you could watch your lap better. It's yeah, because it is the right readout. Is that Neil there in third?
yeah.
Yeah, well done, Neil.
Thank you.
10-2, 10-0 to Evan.
Yeah, it's like it runs like it used to.
Nice. I'm
It's
glad.
Great.
And
Oh,
congratulations, Bill. That was a perfectly.
Clean this motor too?
No,